Today, we're taking a closer look at a modern and powerful cleaning solution, the cordless vacuum cleaner with a 550W motor, 45 kilopascals suction power, up to 65 minutes of runtime, an LED display, and a self-standing design. This vacuum is built for users who want strong performance, smart features, and complete freedom from cords. Let's see how well it performs in real-world home cleaning. If you enjoy honest and practical home appliance reviews, make sure to subscribe to Review Nest. And if you're planning to buy this vacuum, the best price link is available in the description. The first thing that stands out is the 550W high-performance motor. It delivers 45 kilopascals of powerful suction, which is more than enough for everyday home cleaning. The strong suction ensures deep and consistent cleaning, making it suitable for both quick daily cleanups and more thorough cleaning sessions. Battery life is another major highlight. This vacuum offers up to 65 minutes of runtime on a single charge, allowing you to clean your entire home without interruptions. Different power modes let you balance performance and battery usage, while the long runtime makes it ideal for larger spaces. One of the most practical features is the built-in LED display. The screen shows real-time battery status, cleaning mode, and system alerts. This removes guesswork and helps you manage your cleaning time more efficiently, so you always know when it's time to recharge. Another feature that adds real convenience is the self-standing design. You can leave the vacuum standing upright anywhere during cleaning, without leaning it against a wall or placing it on the floor. This is especially useful when moving furniture, answering the phone, or taking short breaks during cleaning. For pet owners, the anti-tangle brush is a big advantage. It prevents hair from wrapping around the roller, which is a common issue with traditional vacuums. Pet hair and long hair are guided directly into the suction path, improving performance and reducing the need for frequent brush cleaning. In real-world use, this vacuum performs very well on hard floors, picking up dust and debris smoothly without scattering particles. On carpets, it effectively removes surface dirt and pet hair. The cordless design makes it easy to move between rooms, stairs, and tight spaces without restriction. Maintenance is simple and user-friendly. The dustbin is easy to remove and empty, and the filters are washable, helping reduce long-term maintenance costs. The lightweight and ergonomic design also makes the vacuum comfortable to use, even during longer cleaning sessions. Now, let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. Pros: powerful 550W motor with 45 kilopascals suction. Long battery life of up to 65 minutes. LED display for battery and mode monitoring. Self-standing design for added convenience. Anti-tangle brush, ideal for pet hair. Cordless, lightweight, and easy to maneuver. Suitable for floors, carpets, and pet areas. Cons: battery drains faster on maximum power mode. May require extra passes on very thick carpets. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Review Nest. The best price link is in the description and pinned comment. Overall, the cordless vacuum cleaner with a 550W motor, 45 kilopascals suction power, and 65-minute runtime is a strong and reliable choice for modern homes. With features like an LED display, self-standing design, and anti-tangle brush, it combines convenience with solid performance. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, mixed flooring, or daily household dust, this vacuum offers a practical and efficient cleaning experience. Overall rating, 9 out of 10. This rating reflects its excellent value for money, strong suction performance, and versatility for everyday home cleaning. While battery life may reduce on higher power modes, it excels at what it's designed for: efficient, cordless, and hassle-free cleaning across floors, carpets, and pet areas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the best price, and subscribe to Review Nest for more in-depth product reviews.